Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Good
Yes, good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Good
Okay.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. I can't hear you properly. Can you be a little bit louder?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Okay,
afternoon,
good
ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah. So children, today, see all the answers I'll be giving you by evening. I'll be sending you the answers, okay? Huh? And with the steps of your exam. Okay, and then you can check whether it is correct or not. Do all the questions. I'll send the link also. Today we will start with a new chapter, simple equations. Are you ready? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So anyway, we started one term and we are going to start with a new one, right? So we'll start with the new lesson.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Let me check how many have entered.
Ma'am.
29 have entered. Okay. So, see, we are going to start with the chapter simple equations. We are going to start with the chapter simple equations. Have you heard about algebra, the subject?
Yes, ma'am.
Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Last year you have studied, no? Algebra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What do you know about algebra? Can you tell me? Anybody can tell me what is algebra? What we study in that? Hmm? Anybody can tell what we study in algebra? Yes. Many of you know. Last year you have studied, no? We write numbers along with letters along with numbers, isn't it? Do you remember it?
Yes, ma'am.
To find the
X, Y, Z,
Yes, ma'am.
L,
to
etc.
find a
The
letter.
numbers, when we use letters along with numbers, that subject becomes algebra. Okay, and for connecting these expressions, we use addition sign, subtraction sign, etc. So let us see what is algebra once more, since you have lost all the connectivity of what you have studied last year. Okay, so let us see what is algebra. Listen. Here, can you see the board, children?
Ma'am, you will not screen share.
Okay, okay.
Sure.
That
No,
screen
ma'am.
is not done. Yeah, very good. Share, okay. Let me change the color of the board. Okay. So children, you have different branches of mathematics. That is, first one is, whatever you know, I am writing, whatever you have studied till now. Arithmetics. What do you mean by arithmetics? What do you study in arithmetics?
Ma'am, maths.
Maths. Correct. We study maths about numbers. Okay. We study about numbers like all the numbers like fractions, decimal operations, integers, all these numbers.
Multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Multiplication, addition, subtraction, all related to numbers. That is known as arithmetics.
Arithmetic.
Now, another area is geometry, which you have already studied, isn't it? What do you know about what do we do in geometry, children?
Shape.
Shapes. Shapes and size and degrees.
Geometry about the shapes, isn't it? Geometry. Next is
Ma'am, can you talk a little bit louder?
yeah. It is geometry. Next, it is geometry. It's going high up. I have to pull it down again. Okay. Yes. Now, the next one, what we are going to study is known as algebra. Algebra. So, in arithmetic, we study about numbers.
Numbers.
Here, we study about shapes.
Shapes.
And here we study letters
Letters
along with
along with
numbers.
the-
Okay, we study the use of letters in mathematics. We can use any letter to denote unknown. Unknown means what? What is not
Not
known to you?
Not
That
known.
is known as unknown.
Unknown.
Okay, so I'm going to start the lesson with a small story. Huh? Do you know? Have you read the story of a fisherman and a genie? Have you
No.
heard?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We say in Malayalam Mukkuvan and Budam. Have you heard now?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
ma'am.
Okay, it was a story which small children used to read. Okay, so we'll go back to the story. Just see this. So that let me clear what is written on the board. Wait a minute. Okay, children, this is about origin of algebra and the mathematicians that I'll deal with it later. Now we start with the story. Just see. There was a fisherman. He used to go for fishing every day. He never gets anything. Okay, he was so desperate. Like that one day, he got a bottle when he was doing his fishing. He started fishing. In the net, he got a bottle. See the figure? A bottle is there with him. And he started opening it, thinking that some treasure may be inside. He started opening it with a knife. Okay, he started opening it with a knife. What happened, you know? Inside that, there was a genie, Budam. Inside that, there was a genie. We call it the jinn in Arabic stories. This is from Arabic tales. Okay, so there was a Budam or the genie inside, and it came out. It came out and asked the fisherman, "What you want?" He asked the fisherman, "What you want?" The fisherman told, I am very poor and I want some material gifts from you. Okay, so what the genie told, yes, you can ask. Whatever you ask, I'll give double of it. What did he say? He said, whatever you ask, I'll give double of it. Okay, so let us see what the fisherman is going to ask. Listen here. He is asking like this. He thought of asking some money. Okay, first he asked bronze coin made of bronze. Can you give me 2 bronze coins? So how much the genie will give him? 4.
2 bronze.
Double of what he is asking. 4.
4.
He asked 3, he'll be giving 6. Right. He asked 5. Then he asked 5. He will get 10.
10.
Then after that he asked 8. How much he will get?
16.
Okay. So what the genie told him? He told double of what you ask. So double of, that is constant. Double of is a constant. And what this fisherman is asking, do you have any idea? He can ask any number, no? It is not constant, right? It is not a constant number. It keeps on changing. So we'll represent it by a letter X because we don't know what he is asking. Only thing what we know is the genie will give double of what he is asking. Okay. So the genie developed an equation, the expression to X. What is X? X means whatever the fisherman asks.
The number of what the fisherman.
The number which we
The
don't
number
know.
that
We can
represents
call
what?
it as unknown, unknown, or
Unknown.
we call it a variable. We can call it as a variable.
variable.
Variable. It is varying always, isn't it? So we can call it as a variable. Now, next, after that, the fisherman was so happy, and Genie also was happy with the fisherman. He was happy, and he told, I'll be giving you 3 times what you are asking. Then next, what happened? He asked like this. What he asked? He asked silver coins. He asked silver coins. Silver coins. He asked silver coins. He asked, when he asked 2, he asked, I want 2 silver coins. How much he will give? Triple.
6.
3 times. 6. 3 into 2. He wanted 4 silver coins.
12.
What? He will give 12
12.
coins. 3 into 4. 3 into whatever fisherman is asking. Next is 6 he asked. So 3 into 6.
18.
So here 3 is a constant, triple. What the genie told is triple. 3 times whatever you ask, I'll give. So 3 is a constant. And whatever this fisherman is going to ask, we don't know. So we put a letter Y. Y represents silver coins. Number of silver coins what the fisherman is asking. Okay. So 3Y represents the
Silver coins.
expression
Expression
what
made
the
by the
fisherman is asking. Okay. Fisherman is getting. Fisherman is getting. Second time. Y represents the silver, number of silver coins. Whatever number he is going to ask, there is no idea. It is unknown. So we represent it by the letter Y. But 3 is a constant. Okay. We can call Y as a variable.
Variable.
And 3 as a coefficient or constant. That will represent, that I'll explain to you later. So 3 has no change, only X is varying. Okay. Now, after that, again, this genie was so happy. He told, next time, whatever you ask, I'll give 5 times more than what you ask. Okay, so he started asking gold coins. Gold coins. He started asking gold coins. Look, in this, look here, what he asked, I need 3 gold coins. How much he'll get? 5 into 3. 15. Then he asked, I want 5 gold coins.
25.
5 into 5. 25 gold coins he got. Like that, he kept on asking different numbers. So how much the genie will give? 5 times of what he is asking. So 5 times of what he is asking. What he is asking, I'll put is Z, because I don't know what he is going to ask, isn't it? Unknown.
Unknown.
That is an unknown. So 5 represents the constant number and Z represents the varying number. So variable. Z is a variable. We call it variable.
Variable.
Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
5 Z, when we write, 5 represents a constant and Z represents the variable. Okay.
Variable.
All these letters.
Okay, ma'am.
All these letters which I wrote. Now listen. All these letters, all these expressions which I have written, that is 2x, 3y, and 5z. All these are algebraic expressions. Right? Expressions. Where all these are algebraic expressions where x is the x, y, z are variables. Their value keep on changing. Okay, no fixed value. So we can give any values to that number. So x, y, z are the variables and 2 2 is the coefficient of x. 2 is the coefficient of x. 3 is the coefficient of y. And 5 is the coefficient of z. We call it coefficient. When you multiply with a number, a variable with a number, it is the coefficient of that variable. Did you understand? So how many terms we studied? What is an algebraic expression? What is a
Variable.
variable? What is a constant?
Coefficient.
What is a coefficient? Okay. What's the coefficient? Now we'll come back to the story. What he wanted. After that, you want to know the end of the story? Now the genie is there and the fisherman is there. Okay. What he asked, after that, genie asked, he was so happy. So he asked the fisherman, my dear, you have any other wishes other than this material gifts? You want any to fulfill any wishes? Yes. What did the fisherman say? You know, he know very well that if the genie is coming along with him, it will be a disturbance the whole life. So what the fisherman said? He said, I want to know, I have a wish. I want to know how you got into this small bottle, such a giant figure you are. And how did you come into this small bottle? Can you show me once? So what he did? Yes, of course. What he said? Yes. And he reduced himself and came into the small bottle. He reduced himself and fitted inside the bottle himself.
Trapped.
What did he do? Immediately, the fisherman took the cork, tied him up, and threw the bottle back into the ocean. Okay. Trapped. Okay. And thrown back to the ocean. This is the end of that story. Now, after that, what happened? We'll see. After that, the fisherman started counting his gifts. Okay. So, first one, he started counting first the gift 2 times of whatever he got. Okay. Plus, next one was 2 times of whatever he asked. 3 times of whatever he asked. Why? What he asked was silver coins. Number of silver coins.
Then
plus,
gold coins.
next one, it was 5 times of whatever he asked. Isn't it? So what have I done? I have added all the 3 algebraic expressions. Okay. So first, before that, first he added the 2. First he added the 2. Okay. He added the 2 expressions. This one, 3y. 2x plus 3y. This is also an algebraic expression. We can call this also as an algebraic expression. Now, he added the third one. Third price also. So, this is also an algebraic expression. What is the difference between each one? Can you tell me once more? I'll write it once more neatly. Okay. First I wrote each separately. So first one was 2x. Then I wrote, then he added the next. Then he added all the 3. Okay. First one, how many expressions are there in that? First one, only 1. Okay. 1. Now, here, how many expressions are there?
2.
2 expressions. There are 2 expressions. Now, you can see that both the expressions are separated by plus sign. Both the expressions are separated by a plus sign. Listen. Both the expressions are separated by a plus sign. In this case, Akash, don't sleep. Listen. Okay. So, both are separated by a plus sign. So, each one of them can be called as terms of the expression. Terms of the expression. Each expression can be called as a term. Why? Because both expressions are separated by plus or minus sign. Here we can say, in this case, this is also an algebraic expression. When he write 2x plus 3y plus 5z, that is also an algebraic expression with 3 terms. Okay, so the 3 terms we write 3 terms in the expression are 2x, 3y and 5z. We can call each one as a term if the expressions are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay, together it is known as an algebraic expression. But when these expressions inside are separated by plus or minus sign, each one can be called as a term of the expression. Term, T-E-R-M, term of the expression. Clear, children? So we studied what is algebraic expression, what is a variable, and what is a coefficient, what is a term in the expression. Now, after that, what happened? He added everything, and look, he added all the gifts. He added 2x plus 3y plus 5z. Now, when he added and when he turned back, he saw all the gifts vanished. Why? Because he threw the genie or the giant fellow, that is the genie, into the water again, isn't it? So when he turned back, after adding everything, he saw everything he added, and after that, when he looked back, just a glance, everything vanished. So how much did he get?
Zero.
What is now? Zero. So we can equate this to 0. We can make it equal to 0. Isn't it? We can make it equal to 0. Now this becomes an equation. This becomes an equation. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
This expression I have equated to some number. It need not be always 0. It can be any number, 5, 6, 7, or any number. It can be any number. So here we have equated to 0 because he didn't get anything. Okay, so we equated to 0. When it is equated or equality sign is used, we call it an equation. In this chapter, we are going to study about equations. Okay, we are going to study about equations in 7th standard. Remaining all were 6th standard portion, which you have already almost, I think we have studied in 6th standard this chapter. Okay, it was a revision of whatever you have studied. Now we are going to study about the equations. Before that, we will frame certain equations, certain expressions before that. Now let us revise what we studied till now. So first term what we studied was algebraic expression.
Ma'am, we should write this in notes.
No, wait. I'll give the notes. Not today, after starting. Algebraic expression. Can you give, Noel, can you give me an expression? An algebraic expression, can you give me? Example? One example?
3y.
3y, very good. 3y, okay. Another, Vijin, can you give an example of an algebraic expression with the 2 terms? 2 terms?
5x and 6y.
5x?
6y.
Don't say like that. Plus or minus?
Plus 6.
In
Plus
between.
6y.
Okay, I'll write 5x plus 6y. Very good. It is an algebraic expression. Okay, Agash, can you give me another example?
6.
With the 3 terms, can you give me 3 terms? Expression with 3 terms?
4x plus
4x plus
7y plus
7y
3
plus
2
2z. Okay. That is another expression. Algebraic expression. Okay. Now we studied what is algebraic expression. Very good. Now we can see the first one was
Equation.
algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions. You understood what is an algebraic
Ma'am,
expression?
can you say little more louder?
Okay. Okay. So what you, so you have studied algebraic expression. Now after that we studied what? We studied coefficients. 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 If I write 2x, okay, I'll ask somebody else. Dia, can you tell me what is the coefficient of 2x? In 2x, in the expression 2x, can you tell me which is the coefficient?
2.
2 is the coefficient. And which is the variable?
X.
X is the variable. Very good. So now next. Sharanya. Hello. Sharanya. I'll write 3y plus 2z. In this, can you tell me the coefficient of 3? Coefficient of 3?
Y. Sorry, 3.
Sorry, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is
3.
3. Very good. Coefficient of z is
2.
2. Very good. So coefficient means which number the variable is multiplied, that can be called as an coefficient of that variable. Okay. So can you tell me another person? I'll call Nihal, Vijin. Azra. Yes. Azra, can you tell me one term in that expression? This is an algebraic expression. Can you tell me one term in that expression? Any one term in that expression? How many terms are there in that expression? How many terms? Just look at the expression which I am giving.
3.
See, 3y is an expression. Okay, one expression. 2z is another expression. So how many expressions are there in that?
2.
2, isn't it? So there are 2 expressions which is separated by plus sign. So you can say 3y and 2z are terms in the expression. Expression, what is the expression given? 3y plus 2z. We can say 3y and 2z are the terms in the expression 3y plus 2z. Clear, Asra? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear to you? Now I'll ask another one. Another one I'll ask. I'll write. Okay, Azra, can you tell me how many terms are there in that expression? This is an algebraic expression. How many terms are there in that expression? Can you tell me?
3.
Louder, louder.
3.
3. Very good. So because 4k is one term, 6z is another term, 3y is another term, all are separated by plus sign. You can use minus sign also. Okay. If I write 4k minus 6z plus 3y, the same thing. We can write 4k and 6z and 3y are the terms in the expression. Understood? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we learned what is coefficient, what is variable, what is a term, and what is an equation. You can equate it to some number.
Ma'am,
This is called
I
an
have a doubt.
equation. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in a equation, the plus, minus, and all signs are called the same.
So yeah, same. If you want to form an equation, if I write 4k is equal to 1, it is an equation.
Okay, ma'am.
Equal to sign should be there and it should be equated to something. You can equate 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is another equation. Simple
Okay,
equations. Okay. Can you tell me one example, Annette? Can you tell me one example?
Ma'am,
One equation, can you tell me an
3z and
example? 3z,
3z
3z,
plus 6y
6y,
is equal to 8.
8. Very good. It is an equation. All these are called simple equations. Okay. Now equations will start tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Isn't it? Your class is day after tomorrow. So we can start with simple equations, solving simple equations, etc. in the next class. Now we will start with
Attendance.
framing equations. We'll start with framing equations. Okay. Framing equations. I think your time is 1:40.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So let us wind up here. I want to take the attendance also.
Ma'am,
So hope you all have understood, no? So what are the terms we studied now?
I'm last. I didn't understand.
Huh?
Last one I didn't understand.
Which one? Equation.
Nice.
That is simply you equate any expression. Suppose you are writing 2k. 2k. If you want to make it an equation, if you write like this, it is an equation. In an equation, the speciality is the equality sign will be there. Sometimes if you write 2k plus 1, it is forming only an expression. It is only an expression. When you are equating it to something, it becomes an equation. That's all. Clear? Clear? Manish, who
Yes,
asked me the
ma'am.
doubt?
Noel, Noel.
Noel, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes. Anything else?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said evening you will send the answers of the exam. What is that?
Evening or tomorrow I'll send anyway. Evening itself I can send. Difficult
Okay.
questions which you had, no?
Okay.
That's what. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hope you understood today's class well.
Yes, ma'am.
Children? Okay. Okay. So what all things we studied? We studied about
Equation,
algebraic
variables,
Questions.
Coefficient.
studied
and
about
Variables.
variables,
terms,
tell me,
coefficient,
coefficient, then
equations,
equation. Very good. Then what?
Algebraic expression.
Term.
algebraic equations,
Equation.
Okay. Terms.
Types of
Terms in
max.
algebra. Okay. Okay. So thank you, children. I'll
Bye,
be
ma'am.
taking the attendance. Don't go. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'll be taking the attendance. Please don't go. So today's class we can wind up here. Thank you.